AC Work 365 Day have survived the AC conditionality and health needs of North Texas for 20 years. Our company focuses on providing excellent customer services and quality AC and height services. We know how to repair release services and types of heights and air conditioners HVAC systems over friendly technology are and technology we will get the job done right generated reliable trustworthy expert technology machinery out farm tech and friendly and leave or no miss before making sure your air conditioner are hard and operating correctly is key to management energy costs. It's comforting to know that your home will have a comfortable temperature on matter what season it is. When your HVAC stop financially, it's time to consider your option. Do you replace or repair it? Your time of tensions are here to assess the problem and provide you with stational tensions solutions that are and with your financing option even the biggest job can be affectable reliable or whether you are repairing or your choose HVAC repair Weatherford TX AC work 35 365 have you crowd ability honesty services air conditioning air conditioning and heating system breakdowns allow also take place at the most uncomfortable time. Don't worry to get 10 AC work 365 days in here for you in fast we're served the North Texas and Fourth Wright area for more than 20 years. We understand that when your system breaks down, things can get pretty miserable visible here in Texas. You need a AC provide the can take care of you fast. 80 AC works 365 days whether you need air conditioning services is for weather TX. A new heating system is Weatherford TX or then to add the next generation of indoor area quality to your home or businesses is allowed TX Hanson Oaks Tax Benbrook TX or Will Pratt TX over fast and friendly textually understand the times matter. You want right choosing the best air conditioning repair Weatherford TX. Our company focuses focus on providing excellent customer services and quality air conditioning and heating services. We now have to properly services all time of heating, ventilations and air conditioners, AC and air filter system over teach a licensed and knowledgeable out of all AC companies. AC works 365 pro this that but services is Weatherford losing your AC in the model of summer on even worse your head in the cold of winter can be frenching and costly over time of expanded technology and here the help and with all your heat pump AC and air conditioner repair. We understand the mechanical breakdowns and never or phone and round 24/7 or 365 for emergency AC services. We are here when needed. With over 50 years of experience in the business, you cannot overtime to provide quality service in timely manner for we offer free